Good morning. It is a cloudy, rainy day this morning, so I am gonna make some comfort food. Yeah. Hi, Sam. Hi. What you doing? I know. Okay. All right. So biscuits and gravy, bacon, fried taters, and later on I'm gonna make some banana, banana nutless bread. In the oven because I need to use these bananas. And I quit eating them when they started getting dark, so I'm like, hey, I can make banana bread. Ooh, look at there. Fried taters, bacon. I don't know why I feel the need to tell you what each of these are. And biscuit. Biscuit and gravy.
And bacon.
And bacon.
And butter.
And butter.
And jelly.
And jelly.
Preserves, not jelly.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Mm-mm-mm. All right, I need to work on Sammy's chair. I brought it all the way here from her home base, and it needs some new bolts. So these chairs are just like riveted together. So I need to see if I have any bolts that'll fit this. We can sit in it, or Sammy can sit in it. So let's go get my bolts. So this is my little screw and nail bolt organizer. I don't know if I've ever shown this. I think I got this at Harbor Freight long time ago. So I am looking for a nut and a bolt, but it's going to have to be pretty small. So these are my nuts and bolts. Let's see if I can find something small enough to fit through that hole. Aha. Aha. Needs to be long enough to go. Oh, it's going to have to be tiny. Not that tiny. Not that tiny. Needs to be short enough. Probably about that size. Let's see. I can't do it one-handed. Nope, that's too big. It won't fit through unless maybe I screw it through. Let's see. Okay. That will work. I wonder if I might feel it. I don't really want it sticking out the other way because then it'll scratch somebody. So if I have any nuts, I need a washer and a couple of nuts. That was too big. Are you happy your chair's fixed, Sammy? You are? I know you missed it. All right, I'm having leftovers for dinner tonight. I had, it came with 2 enchiladas. We went to a Mexican food place here in Quartzsite called Filiberto's. And I only ate 1 enchilada and just a little bit of the beans and a little bit of the rice. So I am going to heat this up, and that's what I'm going to have for dinner. Okay. I'm not even going to put any rice in there because that's enough food right there. Added a little bit of water to steam it a little bit. Added some chili powder. That looks good. I'm going to add a little bit of cheese. Probably doesn't need it, but I'm going to add it. Let it cook just a little bit longer. Alright, I think that is good. Call it good. Put it on a plate. Boy, that looks good. Got some carrots. Kind of stuck to the pan a little bit, but you know what? That's what refried beans are. Yeah, refry them and fry them and fry them and refry them. Oh, that looks so good. Good and cheesy. Yep. like that place. We'll be going there again soon. Well, I made a happy plate. Yeah, I sure didn't need that rice. I'll put that back in the refrigerator, and we'll see if I use that tomorrow. What? What? Today for breakfast we're having some pancakes, and I have some leftover ham from the what was it? The peas, the black-eyed peas. So we're gonna have. No, I didn't have that. I didn't put ham in the black-eyed peas. Anyway, I have some leftover ham I need to eat. So we're having ham and pancakes. I like to fry my pancakes. So, oh, it's just getting a little too hot. So I cook them in not olive oil. I can't even think today. I cook them in coconut oil. That's how I fry my pancakes.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Samantha Josephine. Happy birthday to... You gonna sing with me? You.
So I am getting ready for my live that I am doing called Cook With Me. Hi, Sami. I know, I started talking and you thought I was talking to you. I know. Hang on. It's probably close to your time, huh? So I am going to cook this jambalaya. It just says add meat. So it's a real easy recipe. Hang on, my door is flying in the wind. All right, I should just start over, huh? So I'm getting ready for my live stream tonight, and I am doing a cook with me. Need to turn on some lights. I probably scheduled it too late because it's going to be dark in here. Anyway, I'm going to cook this jambalaya. It's going to be fast and easy. All you do is add meat to this. It's a one-pot meal. Pretty frugal. And you add whatever kind of meat. So I have that leftover sausage left from the cabbage and noodles. I added half the summer sausage. Summer sausage? Anyway, whatever it is. So I'm going to make... put the sausage in, but I'm also going to add some freeze-dried foods. And I want to talk a little bit about that. I'll talk about it in my live too, but I'm going to add, this is some freeze-dried shrimp. This is from Thrive Life, and Thrive Life does not exist anymore. So I'm going to get this reconstituting because it takes pretty good hour or so to get this shrimp to not be chewy. I've tried it for about 20 minutes, tried it about 45 minutes. I think about an hour and 15, 20 minutes, it's going to be really good. And then in this bowl, I have some Thrive Life ground beef, and I'm going to add just a little bit of this. I wanted to show you this. This is from Thrive Life, but y'all know that I am now associated with a company called Minimalist, and they produce freeze-dried foods also. And guess what? They just now got the meats, and they're all Thrive Life meats. Yes, they don't have the shrimp yet. They might, but they have the beef, the sausage, and the chicken dices, and it's all Thrive Life meat. So if you're familiar with the Thrive Life meats, then you know the quality, and I'm so excited. So they have a New Year's special going on right now at Thrivelist. The link is in the description below. And I'm just going to put a little bit of this in there because I think we're going to be over ran with meat. And why I'm doing so much of this too is while we're waiting for it to cook, we can snack on it. And I have some cocktail sauce. So we'll have a little shrimp cocktail prior to the jambalaya. So I'll put a link in the description to my live so you can watch the whole process of the cooking. And maybe I'll put a card up here. But anyway, I'm going to add some water to this and get it refreshed. Now, I'm adding water to this because I want, like if you were adding it to soups, and your soups were going to cook for a while, then you just add the water into the soup, you know, a little bit extra. But since I'm not having soup and it's going to be rice, then I want this constituted, refreshed, whatever you want to call it, beforehand. So if you want to see me use this in the past, I cooked a shepherd's pie recipe. Again, I'll put the link up there. I'll put a card up there and you can check out that video. Alright, now I'm going to let this just sit and wait for about an hour and a half before I go live. Good morning. It's a cloudy morning this morning. Out walking Sammy. Oh. Nice, calm morning. Look how green the grass is in the desert. I usually only see this like in March. But it's January and there is, I don't even know if we're going to get a freeze here this year. We might have grass the whole time.